Hello everyone, my name is Dilip Yadav and today I am here to demonstrate our project. The title of the project is Meal App. So before start the demonstration of our project, first I want to discuss with you something about our project that will help you to understand what the project is. So here you can see this is a single page website from where you can search your meals, add your favorite meals in your favorite list and see the making process of your meals. After discussing about the project, let's start the demonstration of our project. So here you can see I create a simple navigation bar, and at the rightmost corner of a navigation bar we create a menu bar from where you can see the list of favorite items that are added in your favorite list. Let's see. So here you can see the list of favorite items that are added on your favorite list, and here you can see the search bar for searching our meals. Let me search something, and now here you can see your search result. And here you can see the every items has its own name and images that will help you to identify the category of meals. And if you want to add your favorite meal in your favorite list, then click on this icon and you can see your meals are added in your favorite list. Let's see. Here you can see your favorite items are added in your favorite list. And if you want to remove this item in your favorite list, then click on this icon again and your meals removed from your favorite list. Let's see. So here you can see the items are removed in your favorite list, and here you can see the link for the more details. If you want to know more about your meals, then click on this link. Let's see. So here you can see the name, category and the area, and here you can see the instruction of a making process, and here you can see here you can see the link of watch video. And if you want to see the video of a making process, then click on this link. This link is redirect to you on a YouTube page from where you can see the recipe and the making process of your meals. Let's see.
She can hack into anything.
And here you can see
have my orange shirt on, which means I'm going to make something with orange in it. How about carrot cake? Let's get started.
And here you can see this making process and recipe of your favorite meals. And now come back to the project, and this is the overall demonstration of our project. Thank you so much for watching me.